background is basil cardstock. That blue layer, oh, there's pattern, is Great Paper Snowflakes. This is my first layout using the December kit. And I had all these voiceovers done, but my laptop hinges broke and the power plug thingy wire pulled out, so I can't use it. And that was all before I was able to get my audio off of it. And I didn't get to unregister my Silhouette license, so there went a download. I wasn't able to unregister it, so it goes back as in my Silhouette count, download count. So sorry. So back to my layout. The snowflake circle is cut from Great Paper Snowflake called Winterscapes. My photo mat is Heidi Swapp Honey and Spice. And these die cuts are all from my Silhouette except for the Christmas tree. That is from the November kit. And I had to leave. He likes to lay on my layouts too, so I left. Okay, till he left, and look, he's back. Sorry. I guess big brother showed little brother how to do it. And then I'm going to use some die cuts, of course, and some acetate snowflakes, which are from Hit Kit Club's Make-A-Wish, the November kit. Oh, all my babies are asleep. I should run to the store and see if I can get me a webcam, because I have to do Zoom with a student because she's having trouble doing her work. So mom's not able to help her, and so she's been, bless her little heart, she's trying to do it on her own, and she's struggling. So I begged mom to let me Zoom with her at least an hour a day and help her. I can share my screen and we can go over it, and she can tell me what the answers might be, and then I'll type it in for her. So anyway, so I should see about a webcam so I can use my desktop. Otherwise I have to use my tablet, and I don't like doing Google Classroom on there. I think I'm going to go to the store this morning. Anyway, so that completes my layout. And when I have more done, I'll be back with this. Bye.